Alright, what's up guys, this is Wiz Gaming. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install CyanogenMod7 Nightly. This includes 4G for most ROMs that don't include that. This includes pretty much everything. So first off, you're going to have to go to your USB, make sure it's plugged into your computer, disk drive, done. Okay, and there you can go to your computer and then put this down. Alright, you're gonna go to your computer, download the two files that I put on the description. Alright, that's one of the files, and I have the other one saved over here. Alright, so from here you go to computer, your removable disk, which would be your phone, open it up. What you're gonna do is just drag and drop the files here at there. Let me delete that. Okay. Alright, so the first file you're gonna drop is the GApps file. Of course, these files will be in the description of the video. So all you're gonna do is drag and drop. I already dragged and dropped it here, so I'm going to do the second one. It's going to be CM Supersonic Full 87, and drag and drop. Now it's going to just let it do that. Alright, once this is done, alright, you can close anything you have open. Alright, go back to your phone. Disk drive, set it back to charge only. Click done. Alright, so what you're going to do is power off your phone. Power it off. Power off. Okay. Alright, now it's shutting down. Put this down. So it's shutting down right now. Alright. You can go ahead and unplug your USB. You don't need to have it plugged in. Alright, so now hold down the volume down key and power button simultaneously. Alright, let it do whatever it's gonna do. Alright, click down one time on the volume key into recovery, press the power. Now it's gonna boot into recovery. CyanogenMod7 Nightly includes 4G, which other ROMs do not include. You can also modify how much of your CPU you want to use. Okay. Whoa. Dropped my phone. Okay, so you boot it into recovery. This should load up your Clockwork mod, and here we'll show you how to install your CyanogenMod7 from your SD card. Alright, what you want to do is just go ahead and wipe data factory reset. Delete all user data. This is the stuff on your phone. Okay, just delete that. I mean, if you have all your stuff saved on your SD card, you don't have to worry about it. And go to wipe cache partition. Go all the way down. Yes, wipe. Alright, let it do that. Alright, once you do that, go to install zip from SD card. Click the power button, and then from here you're gonna go choose zip from SD card. Power. Okay, so we're gonna look for the file that we dragged and dropped from your desktop to, or the file you downloaded. It's going to be the CM Supersonic Full /87.zip. That file, just click power, and then it says yes, install CM Supersonic. Just go ahead and click power again. Okay, and let it install the update. I don't know how long it's going to take, but if it does take long, I'll go ahead and edit this part out. So it says installing update. Alright, so we'll just wait on this. Yeah, this is, in my opinion, the best ROM you can have. It's highly, how do I say it? I mean, you can do whatever you want pretty much with it. You can set your CPU to, you know, the full 1.2 gigahertz that you're supposed to have on speed. You know, you can install anything from it. Okay, so it's installing the update. Yeah, well, it's gonna take long, I guess, so I'm gonna go ahead and edit this part out. Alright, so now it's complete. It says install from SD card complete. So now what you want to do is volume down, go back, reboot system now, click power. If it does that, don't worry about it. It's just, I mean, it installed a new ROM, so that's never gonna happen again, so just let it do that. Alright, this is the boot reboot screen. You'll know if you did it right the first time. Alright, we're just waiting on this. The other file, the GApps, all it is if you want to pre-install your Google apps onto your phone, like Facebook or whatever. Well, anyway, this is CyanogenMod7. As you can see, you got a new boot screen. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Oops. Alright, let it load up. Loading. Right, here we go. And there we go. This is CyanogenMod7 Nightly, by the way. So before we get into all this, let's go ahead and power your phone off again. So you can, on this time, you can go to reboot and recovery. Click OK. Here we're just gonna install the Google apps. I mean, this is a, you know, it's an option, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to do it. So basically, we're gonna repeat the steps we did in the previous installation from the SD card, from the recovery menu. So from here, what we're gonna go down to install zip from SD card. Click power. Choose zip from SD card. Power. To get down to the bottom, or I mean, if it's on the top, whatever, you can press up and it'll go to the bottom quicker. And then you're gonna click on the GApps GB2011020 sign.zip. Go ahead and just click power. Go down to yes, install GApps. Okay, let it go ahead. I mean, it's pretty fast. So once it does that, just go back, reboot system now, and again it's just gonna reboot. Let's just wait on that. Alright, so after it loads up, this is what you're gonna get. Back to the same screen. You go to finish setup. It says welcome to PC 36100. Press the Android. You can create whatever, so I'm gonna skip it. Next. Alright, so from here, well, this is pretty much it. This is CyanogenMod7. I'll go ahead and make another video on the features it has and stuff like that. So this is how you install CyanogenMod7 with the Google Apps. So hope you like it. You know, comment. And oh, quickly, I'm gonna just show you on settings. Go to wireless, and you have 4G right there. So that's a plus for this ROM. And of course, you have tethering and portable hotspot. So again, this is how you install CyanogenMod7 Nightly onto your Htc Evo 4G, the best of the best. And this is Wiz Gaming. Please comment, subscribe. Thank you.